Sorry for the disturbance, sir. Just Dr. Izulan sir already joined the session, sir. Dr. Izulan, Director of VEI Technologies Private Limited, is a prominent academic and industry leader dedicated to closing the divide between academia and industry via innovative educational solutions and professional development initiatives. He obtained his doctorate from Global Peace University, GAF, USA on October 2nd, 2018. In acknowledgement of his significant social efforts via VEA technologies from 2010 to 2018. He possesses an MBA in Human Resource Management and Marketing from Annamalai University and duration 2012 to 2014, and a BE in Computer Science and Engineering from Adiparasakti Engineering College, Melamalvattur in 2006 to 2010. Possessing substantial expertise in higher education, he has orchestrated many faculty development programs, internships, and workshops designed to improve employability and industry preparedness for students and instructors. His contributions encompass value-added courses, practice, training, and webinars on developing technology, helping participants stay connected with contemporary market trends. Dr. Izulan, via VEA Technologies, promotes academic excellence, industry partnership, and skill-based education while guiding instructors and students in the utilization of advanced tools. Dedicated to curriculum improvement and digital innovation in education, he persistently advocates for lifelong learning, professional development, and societal influence through technology-based projects. Sir, Dr. Izulan, sir, what to you, sir? Now you are the co-host in this session, sir.
Yes, sir. Very good. Good evening, all of you. Before we could start the session, I just wanted to convey my thank to who were invited us on behalf of VI Technologies and on behalf of Dr. Eleven. I'm the Shobana Preetho and Technical and HR Manager in VI Technology. Thank you so much for the opportunity giving us, sir. And the today's session, which will be on to ethical hacking. This ethical hacking will be on the like already we have seen about it to be a hacking based techniques. So once again, let me share the screen. Yes. So this ethical hacking, which is on hands-on. Before we could go for a hands-on, we just have a few testimonial sessions. So which is about it to be ethical hacking. Okay. So the ethical hacking, which shall be in the course material, we will have a much thing. So before we could go for that, so what are the things that we're going to cover in the ethical hacking, like which is for ethical hacking? Like what was the footprint in about in the hacking sector? And the scanning area and enumeration area and even the system hacking. So all these five modules and along with these five modules, which is on project, sniffers and denial and social engineering and session hijacking. So all those 10 categories which we are going to be following through the ethical hacking. So we shall have a session of the first thing, which is on the introductory, which is the problem definition, which should be the like complexity of a computer infrastructure. So this computer infrastructure, which will be comes under the administrative management, and it to be a what to say that our explorations to be a decrease or increasing level of skill that could be needed, and as well the impact which will be on direct and indirect impact of security based. So this security based works which will have it to be a breach corporate assets. So this will be works with increased the networking environment, which will has it to be a network based applications even. And there is B, Can hacking be ethical? So how the hacking be ethical? The noun hacker, which is refers to be actually is the person who can enjoy the learning. I mean, who can enjoy the learning of details in computer system, and even the stretching of capabilities. So even if we ask someone else to monitor the others account or others system or others social medias, in the sense we will be eager to monitor it. We won't eager to monitor their messages, but we will be eager to to be reaching their account to be followed, right? As for the same here, the verb of hacking describes, which shall be the describes, that is be a rapid based development which shall has into new programmers. This new programmers which is be the which is being a reverse engineering or already existing softwares which will be follows in a efficient trackers. At the same thing, which will has a crackers, and that crackers which is being refers to a person. So that person which will refers it to be a hacking skills and FSD purposes. And this ethical hacker which shall be follows the same professional security based who can apply their skills in their defensive purposes. Even sorry, even if we could follow the security professionals that could be comes in the hacking area. So you may ask that, like, ma'am, does it essential for our terminologist? If you are asking, yes, obviously it is very essential, because what action or event that you are doing it, that is essential violation security. Okay, so this threats it has to follow for the security's purpose, securitized purpose. So which is being in the vulnerable character and existing of a weakness. So this existing of a weakness, this vulnerable characters, and which will design it to be a implementation work. These implementations to attack, to evaluate, to exploit. All those three, which will be comes under the breach of security, the breach of works. Okay, add up with the security. Security is much important, much mandatory, right? So this much important, it's, which shall be is the well-being of information actually, and the infrastructure based event. So this possibility.
Madam, sorry to disturb you, madam. Uh, Kindly, can you hide that stop sharing hide button? Can you click on it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that presentation. Yes, yes, madam.
Is the
You can hide it, madam. Hide. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, madam.
yes, sir. And even the security which will has to rest on the confidentiality and based on authenticities and the integrity which shall be the availability. So all those four which will be added with the security rest, which the hacking will affect on one or more essential security elements which could be followed. Okay, so this malicious hackers to do in the sense reconciles like to be active and passive manner of the work even. So all the five cadres which has been here. So the cadre of first one recon, and second one is the scan, and third one is a gaming. So together which will be works too, so that will be efficient, that will be reflected to be a operating their system of level. This operating system of level which will considered it to be a DOS method, when called of denial of service method. This DOS, which is taken forward for maintaining the access, so accessing the efficient learner, maintaining the progressive learner, and they must have the clear tracks even that. Okay, once they must have the clear track, which can follow the continuous malicious hackers work. Okay, so this could covers into all the covering tracks. So this covering tracks which is uploading or downloading programs which shall have the data even that. Okay, so this is what it will be. And next thing is to the phase one, the first thing which is for preparatory phases. What are the things that they must prepare for that? So where an attacker seeks to gather much information even as possible to target the evaluation and prior to launching an attack, that could involve the network scanning either externally or internally without any authorizations. Okay, so this business risk shall be notable actually. This could be generally noted as a rattling the door knobs. So once it is rattling the doorknobs, it could have a future point of return. So this future point of return, which has been have two A's of entry to attack the board on scale, okay, which has been the target level, okay. So next thing is to be a like a passive. So passive manner, if we could take it, the sniffing and gathering is much important. So where you're showing the sniffing and gathering. So wherever like where you're moving it to be. For example, here I just wanted to iterate the tools over here. So this tools I have just given a password over that. So this is for which is definition like a brute force. I'm just defining in the Python platform. Actually, I'm just doing it in a Python platform, which is very familiar to me of a Python platform. You can access even Linux also to be using it in multiple platforms over it. Okay. And here I have assigned the password of a character as well the numeric. I mean the integer. Together I have been arranged. Okay. Here I have been arranged for the length category starting with a one and stepping and ending with a five. Okay. And here I could arrange the iterate tools with the products and character which will have it to be repeat method length. And the attempt which is been joining the attempt category and to trying out it. Okay. This trying out password which is being had for the method of the learning in the password. The method of learning in the password which you can take it, you shall apply the brute force over here. Okay. When you're applying a brute force over here, I have just applied the B2. B2 the sense which shall be call it as brute force category. Okay. Like I must test my own password over here. So here I have been given here ABC123. I'm just trying it. Whenever I'm trying, whatever I'm giving, but I have been given a password. B2 I have given a password. Here for a character B and here for a character 2. So I'm just applying all the letter and all the numbers which is not coming forward. So when I'm using a B2, the B2 will be password equal. Password has been found. This you can give. This you can give as well to the next level of that, and or otherwise it can be continue with the next level. Okay, we can follow the multiple sector of the area. Okay, this is the kind of to be iterating a level of the work which is in a hacking based. This exactly we could say identifying the password cracking. Identify the password cracking which you have been assigned over that. Okay, so what you have been assigned, which you have been assigned, that you have been characterized here. Okay, the next one, this is actually which we have seen it, that is for passive and active. So passive and active, that is for reconciliates and involving the monitoring and probing. So active and passive both is to be a probing a network to detect it. Even the accessible host to opening a port. So whatever, even the location of routers and the details which is for operating system and services. Okay, which could have into be a phases of the area. Okay. Next phase is to be a scan, the scanning progress. So when once you can take for a scanning progress, which will have it to be a pre-attack phase. Pre-attack phase is to be a when the hacker scans the network with the specific information gathered there during reconnaissance. So once it is gathering, once it is for a work to be specified, the business risk hackers to be to get into a single point of entry. It could launch an attack, even though could a point of exploit even. So this vulnerable system which is being detected over here. Okay. Next, scanning can include use of dialers and port scanners, which the network mapping and sweeping and vulnerable scanners, which is being opened for us scanning areas. Next one is for gaining access. Once you're gaining access, which is refers to the true attack phases, the hacker exploits the system even. The exploit can occur over a LAN and locally internet of a offline work, which shall has a deception or theft. Example includes even the stack-based buffer and overflows and even the denial of services, which has in a session hijacking even that. So password filtering even though adequate. So, which is influencing factors include the architecture and configural phases of target system, which shall even has into be a skill level. So once it is a skill level, the preparator an initial level of access shall be obtained. Okay. So once it is higher and hacker can be accessed, so that could be appointed as a level of operating system, which is being applicable for all the internet level. Okay. So next one is maintaining. So once you have taken for a work to be hacking trials, so like that you wanted to maintain it. Okay. So like once you're tampering or compromising your vulnerable activities, so that is not to be by your own. So you shall be recruit with, I mean, refer with the other securing areas with the exclusive access, which this exclusive access of a backdoors and rootkits of a Trojan method, which shall has a hackers can upload even the download or to manipulate the data by the board system. Okay. So once you are
Madam, are you there, madam? Madam, participants, kindly please wait. Madam got disconnected. Uh, yes, madam. Madam, you got.
Is it audible now, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sorry, sorry. I didn't know what was happening.
Madam,
So I didn't know what was happening. I have just taken class continuously.
no worries, madam. No worries.
Yes, sir.
Please continue, madam.
Yes, sir. So I hope the screen is sharing, right?
Visible, madam. Visible.
Yes,
Screen is visible.
yes, sir. Thank you. So there is a time which have been kept it over. So app data which the time sleep have been kept in the file. So accordingly, Mitchell has to place it over that. So once it is placing over the file, so this path, this OS shall be continued with the tuned data. So once it is to be a tuned data, which has been accommodating of what we imported. So what we imported, that would be accommodating the thing. So that accommodating the thing, which is the key value of the turn, which the acting is to be persistent data. So once the persistent data, so that persistent data which will has into be a time pass. So this, for example, if your path is existing, the path existing is to be a to becoming your persistent data. Persisting the work. If it is not, it is showing you like we should just wait. So if it is not, now it's to be started to elevate. Started to elevate. The elevate once the path is 1 minute, 1 minute. Once the path is being there, so the path it doesn't be exist. There is this existing path which shall not show it to you. Okay, so exist path which shall be showing to you to become an account into the following accounts. Okay, so which is being into be elevated over here. So this is all will into be comparing and like committing with to be a next level of the work which comes into be a hack based one. So with this hack based one to initiating or to declaring the value of the existing value. So once it is to be existed, this could have been comes over that. Okay. The next one is over here. Here into the next one. Next we what we are gonna see, which is on the hackpitism. So the hacking, so which shall covers through the cause, which shall refers to the hackers. So the compromises, like compromises of hackers, which shall be in the social or even the political agenda. Okay, so this social or the political agenda, which is being in the aims to sending an across a message, who they are hacking even and the acting activity based of the work, which has been in the work, the common targets, which is include for the government agencies. The government agencies, which is an MNCs, that MNCs which shall includes the over. Which shall includes over. So this common targets which shall be happen to be entity perceived as bad as wrong and by these groups or individual works, which is remains fact even the unauthorized access shall have into be a crimes. So which comes into crime, which no matter what they intended. Okay, what do the ethical hackers do? So if you know the enemy and then know yourself, if you need to not fear the result of 100 battles. Okay, ethical hackers which tries to answer. Okay, which this tries to answer what can the intruder see on the target system. Okay, so target system which is being reconciles at the scanning phase of hacking, which you supposed to take it which you're supposed to take it that could be transferred into the next level of the gaining progress. Once it has been gaining progress, the next level of the work. So next level of the work. So once does anyone the target noticing the intruders attempts for the data? So if you are asking, that will be what to say, to be adding of the tracking phases event. That tracking phases event. So like if you can hire the any organization, so any organization that will happen to be an ethical hacker, which shall have an ask to organize the trying to protect it and to against it, whom in what resources to willing to expend in the gain protection. So that gain protection which will be has it to be a next level. For example, you can see here skill profile of an ethical hacker, which will has a skill profile, which will has a ethical hackers that could be provides into be a prolonged manner. So if you can take it the computer, which the computer can be expert and adapt with the technical domains even. So all the technical domains, in-depth knowledge about the target platforms, which will has it be a Windows, and Linux, and Unix even. Okay, so this exemplary knowledge of networking and related hardware and software, and this knowledge is about it to be security areas. Even. So that related issues do not even the professionally work. Okay, so this professionally work, how do they go about it? Once you can go about it for the preparation, even the conduction based, so that could be follows it to be a all other area. So all other area which could conduct the evaluation, valuation, technical reports which is being prepared for. Okay, what it could be prepared, like it could prepare to potentially or vulnerably. Okay, so this results will be evaluated actually. So the evaluated as per the based on the organizations, its sponsors, and even the advisories. So as per them, that could be concluded, that could be evaluated. So as well, we are going to see of the next level the board of ethical hacking. What are the ways and what are the boards they could use for hacking? Remote networks. So they could hack their data, hack the thing which goes with the remote networks. And this mode of attempts which stimulate and include a launch. This could attack and over the internet. So this remote would has to be a dial-up network even. So this mode attempts to stimulate the intruder launching and to against the client side, which will happens in the client side, and local network, which will stimulate in the employee side. So which is on unauthorized access. So unauthorized access over the local network. Once it is taken for the local network, the stolen equipment it comes into the and the bearing of a onus. Okay, this onus and this mode it stimulates the theft into critical information. And this social engineers, which this aspects attempts to check the integrity of organizations and even the employees. Okay, and this physical entries, which will comes into the attempts to physically compromise the organization, even the ICT infrastructure. Now the security techniques, which goes with the security techniques of the escalation. Okay, escalation which will needs to for in a Python that you need for a PowerShell. So once you have for a PowerShell, you can access the escalation. Okay, escalation. So escalation you can use it. So after you are elevating your data, once you are elevated your data, your escalation part will be activated. Okay, this exclusion of your path and the antivirus which will be added for a directory based work. So with this directory based work, once you are assigning the importing OS, you are importing the OS and even you are importing the platform, you are importing your time. Altogether, you are importing it. So when you are applying out, when it is coming out, from where it is, from that where it is to be elevating, the elevation area, and as well that the part of elevation where it does good elevated. Okay, once it is to define the exclusion of a path into antiviruses. This antivirus path which will have to be all commands. So these all commands which will process. You can see here all commands, the power dot shell, you can access it, and all commands which is append on the command. Okay, and the process. So which the process can be accessed. The sub process and run, which is to be all commands, and the shell has to consider true. The capture output also true. Okay, so which is to be a outer. So that output target, which is to comes under the decoding area, where the value has to decode. Once the value has been decoded, which is to be assigned into be a the subcategory of the work. Once you are adding your path, I have added my path here. So once you have added your path, so this path it's to be separated the string as well the new line. A string, what string that you're trying to give it, that has to comes in a new line. Which the new line supporter, which will be comes into here, literally either a true or false that it has to flush it out. Okay. Once it is flush out and you wanted to print the value to stream in that. Okay. So it could stream or it could default. So like anything can be done. So after that, you want to separate. The separation is true. String is that to be inserted. Sorry, a string inserted between the values and default space. So between that, it can be follows. It could be happen, and next progress, which will has to be ending up. So once it is ending up, it can access for a appended. So appended after the value is to be appended and default a new line. So once it is to appended, we could apply the defaulted new line over here. So once it is defaulted new line, adding a path to an exclusion. So once it has been exclusion, so once it has been exclusion, your process and your outcomes which has been coded or decoded. So if we are applying the condition based one if and else condition, if output, if you can takes forward it, print the process of standout in a decode method. So once it is decoded, added to a Python exclusion, so which the Python exclusion which is on to be a directory to add. The else which the cadder is to be process and the stderrd, which is comes into be a trailer one. So once it is taken for a trailer data, so that trailer data which shall comes under the progress over here. Once it is under the progress over here, so that path, even that here you have given like a path, added the path exclusion, even couldn't added the path exclusion, two statement I have been given over that. Okay, it could print before it over. Okay, so and as well it has to display the written message also. Here I have been applied time, sleep, and exclusion, and here also I have been mentioned this to be 100. Let's see on that. So which has been scanning, started to scanning over here. So which is there into before, and depends on the network, it could be accessed. Okay, based on the network only, it could be accessed and it could be performs well. So once it is our it depends on our time sleeper, it could be accessed. Okay. The next one, the ethical hacking. So ethical hacking, which are reported to the deliverables. So once it is to be deliverable, and that deliverable which access the work, so which has been the accessing of work, the hacking activity shall be contained, like into be which will comes into decided to work with the prior content, prior phases even. This vulnerable, this detailed avoidance to measures in the suggested work. This is usually delivered in the hard copy of a security reasons. Even which it has into issues to consider even. For non-disclosure clauses will be in the legally based, legally contracted, availing the right information to the right person. And integrity of evaluation team, the sensitivity of the information. Once it is sensitive of the information which is targeting based on, and computer crimes. So what are the crimes which is being are facing? So are we facing the crimes like implications, like crimes that cybersecurity which is enhanced actually, so which does into enhance it to be a much colloidal area. So which that much colloidal area only it could have mentioned been as a recklessly, okay, like recklessly if you could take it, so that recklessly which has to perform it to be a different subsiders, okay, so which could even the advantages of life for others, and computer computer crimes which it has to be a which will has to be a a progressive turn. So that progressive turn, which is to be compromising or compare it with the cyber surveys, okay. And this computer crimes which is squared and estimates between the 85 to 97%, which the computer retrenchments are even detected. Okay, this stigma associated with reporting the security lapses. So legal perspective. So what are the legal perspective can be done? So which the legal perspective shall be done with the fraud and related activity in the connection with the access of a one devices. Okay. So this devices which could access of a fraud and related and next thing is to be communication. So where the communication, where the fraud related connection which should be done. So next thing, and then category of is what wire and electronics. So wire and electronic communication interruption. So this would have been done come for the oral communications. Next one is the stored and electronic. So it has been done for a stored and electronic progressive event. So we have much sections over that. Okay, to be eared sections. So which were been surveys, and the penalties even over that. So the penalties which is offences over that, based on the offences, based on the forfeitures, and based on the states which could be happen the personalized properties. The section based which was happened clearly of 1029, and next based of 1030. So which has been authorized and unauthorized it exceeds would have been done. Those the penalty shall be continued. The next one is to be a revisiting of that. So how do you revisit it? The same tracking of a clearing trackers, footprint. Okay. So once it is through footprinting, the footprinting is blueprinting of the security profile with an organization, and with this undertaken, that this undertaken will be a methodological manner. This methodological manner, which is been for a footprinting, is a blueprinting of the security profile of an organization. So, which is an organization, and that would be taken forward for the three pre-attacks work. So, once it is taken for a three pre-attacks work, the three pre-attack phases, the others are scanning and enumeration progress. Once it has been scanning and enumeration progress, and shall take forward for the next footprinting. So next footprinting, which is the level of the unique organization, the separate and unique organization. This profile which leads to respect the internet and the networks. So this networks and this internet and intranet and extranet progressive can be evolved. information gathering methodologies. So information gathering methodologies which has been for unearth the initial information, locate the network ranges. So which will has to be a network ranges even the footprinting. And this is for ascertain the machines which has been very active. And the discovers and the open porting which has been discovers and as well the access points. Okay. And to detect the operating system. Once we detect the operating system, uncover the services on port. So once it is services on port and which has been mapping the network. Next, the commonly includes what are the things that commonly includes? The domain name lookup. So once it is domain name lookup location, which is contact and telephone mail even then. So which this information sources and even the open are to be hacking and do same speed of to work. So this is been which part which have been kept in. So here I've been registered the target based work which I've been kept to over here. So which the domain name which is being here the target company. Okay. So this domain name which is being registered, that registration can be done here. And as well the registration administrative contact over here. Which the administrative contact over and as well the target company which is that to be technically contacted. The domain servers in the listed over. So listed order. So what are the listed ordered over here, which has been for a technically commences. So the technically commences which has been works with it to be a the progressive manner. Which the progressive manner can be done to be a web based and web host one. So web based and web host which has been listed in the order of the work manner. Next one will be NS lookup. For this NS lookup to query internet-based, DNS methodology, which is in a DNS method, and this DNS which will displays the information and to diagnose the domain name system infrastructure, which will helps to find an additional IP addresses even. Internet protocol addresses. If we could authoritative DNS is to be a who's one. So this MS record reveals the IP of the main server. Even both Unix and Windows both together comes within a client-based one. So this third-party clients are always available or also available. Example thus SAMSPay. And to locate your range, locate the networking range. It commonly includes finding the range of IP address. So how to be finding the range of IP address? And to discerning of the subnet mask, like how we are discerning the subnetting mask, even the Arraign also we could be kept over, so which is being added in the arrowing map. So the tool which will be you can use for a your trace or visual route. This tool you can use to trace your networking range from here to where. Right, as to allows to search your whole database to locate in the informative one. So which will assigns and which will autonomous system numbers and that could relate that could network and is the point of related. So this point of related, this point of contact which will be the POCs. So this POCs which is occurs in the method of code. So let's you can see that IP address scanning. Here I have been imported the socket over here. Once I have been imported the socket, so this socket, the port shall be scanned. So target and ports, which is being added scanning and printf. So once the target and once the scanning is being added, for port is to using for try and exception. Try scanner if you can take it, that you could be using. Like socket which have been defined as a yes and the socket AF INET and the socket stream. So here the logic and algorithm have been applied over that. Here have been applied the timeout scanner. So socket and default timeout one. So this scanner which have been assigned the result. So what do I mean face the result? So where it does to target, where it does to shows the both. So both together have been applied. Applied and have been mentioned here to start with the zero level of condition. Once it starts with the level of zero condition to print, it's to print yes dot close. Yes dot close and as well the exception try an exception handling except into the exception as e and this could be a printf and it has to based on the printf pattern. An example, this is to be a port scanner. So what you're scanning a port, that port scanning has to display. So I have been scanned the port over here. So this scanning port have been launched into the here. Okay. So as well, we can assign even the pressed data of the keyboard listener. You can like how much you are using for a press keys and to identify the character, you can use access for this. Okay, for this, do you want me to download any packages? If you're asking, I have downloaded only the one package, which is for Elevate for the previous one for the elevation, because that elevation is to be a package of Elevate to that particular program. So I have been applied as the Elevate. So you have been even applied the Elevate. Okay. Next one is the arites, where the and who's the output of arite. So I have been shown you now even the net block IP address. IP address is blocked allotted to the domains of like Microsoft.com. So likewise, the domain-based IP address which has been assigned in the network. Okay. The next one is trace router. The trace router, which is being works with exploiting a feature of Internet Protocol event called as to be TTL. It's the time to live the TTL work. It's a trace out reveals the path IP packets which the travels between the two systems by sending in a out consecutives. So which this out consecutive UDP packets with the ever increasing the TTLs one. So once it is ever increasing the TTLs one, as each router process as a IP packet. So which shall be decrements the TTL method, which will has a TTL zeros. TTL reaches the zeros, and it sends back the TTL works which has been exceeded. So once the message has been originated, the originator which shall comes into the routers with the DNS entries. Okay. This DNS entries which for the names of routers, the network affiliation of a geographic notions. You can even see here tool NeoTrace tool. So which this NeoTrace tool which has into be a McAfee visual trace. The McAfee visual trace is to how we are tracing a route. Okay, this trace shows into be a trace route output fish visually, map view even the node view and the IP view. So together, all the three map, IP and node. Sorry. So this map view and this node view and IP view together of all three, which has been taken forward for the trace route. Okay, this one shows route visually. Okay, so it is a tool to visual the route. The tool name is the visual route. You can even access it to the Google. So this is the visual route. This is actually third party event soft turning. No need to go for that. You can even go for this or this. Okay. Both is to be trace out the diagnostic tools. So you can even download for a Windows or Mac OS. These are the requirement which is being for this tracing one. For this application, if you can apply for any commercial addresses, and if you can apply with the IP address, it will shows you all your node names and location where it has been localized and located. Everything will be shows in you. Next one is smart who is smart over here. The smart who is to allows the information utility that allows you to find out all the availability. Okay, which all the availability which will occurs to be a host based provider. So which the host based provider which will has to be a network provider. The network provider which will comes into be a administrative and the technical support contact. Okay. So this is for visual lookout. So what are the visual lookout? Which is been in the visual lookout highly provides high level, high level detailed of the like detailed manner with the traffic information in real time with the historical basis. So the addition of the can request the connections and which has the windows for any server, which you can provide a real-time view for all the active network connections. So who is connected, what service is being used. So these two things which was happened, an inbound and outbound area. Okay. This connection which is for active and how long they have been connected. There is a visual route mail tracker. The visual route mail tracker, which is for reported to be a organizations one, which the organizations which would be in the analyzing area, the analysis which is to be a graph or network locations. So this is the tracking based. This is the tracking router. Here, just a minute. Here we'll have a few one. The tracking one once again.
Madam,
Uh,
uh,
just a minute, sir. Which has the SCAPI, all the ARP scanner which I'm applying here. So either if you want to apply a ARP scanner, you want it to be SCAPI module, you want it to be installed. Okay, as well the values which we wanted to give it for a Windows or a Mac. So whatever the IP addresses you wanted to give as possible. Okay, so once you have assigned it, so this track will have been assigned and providing you for the detailed data one. Okay, this is to be a mail tracker using of a platform. So which platform is this platform for a visual router? Evaluation is to be a smart host. So evaluation tool is to smart host tool that you can use it. It is this for visual route, or either you can use it to your if you don't want to be any platform to access it, you can use for the platform based, either a Python or Linux or Unix OS that you can access it. Okay, and next one is the tool which is for mail tracking. That mail tracking tool which is for to tracking services that could allow us to track when his mail was to read, even for how long and how many times. It is also to be forwards and passing and sensitive information. So this is all for the footprints which have been designed in the category based of the 7 phases of the unique securitized model. It's into for detecting a live system on target networks. Once you have detected, once you have detected to determine the perimeter of target system. Once you facilitate networking and mapping progress. Two things you wanted to do it to build an inventory of accessible system as well the target information. Once you are targeting the information and networks to the inventory access and tools you can use for two tools, that is for one is war dialers and one is utilities. War dialers. So war dialers is to be a war is a tool to scan a large pool or of telephone numbers. This tool you can access to detect your vulnerable modems to provide even the access to the system. So this system, this demo dialer, which has been accessing the monitor to specify the phone number even. Once you specify the phone number and target based work. Once this modem is gained, and this modem is gained to access the system. Once the system is accessed, the threat is high in system with poorly configured the remote to access to products and providing the entry to the large networks. So what are the tools that you can use it? You can use for THC, you can use for THC scanners, and the tone lock and TB. So these three tools you can access that. So this is the war dialer. So war dialer, how it is to proceeding. Okay, this is the war dialer. The war dialer is to hacking hacker dialer. Once it has been started, it starts with the networking internet. With this internet, it shall provide the PSTN. So this PSTN, which shall has even the PC anywhere. It's the PC anywhere. Dial in the modem. So once it is dialed in the modem, the server, and which will be affects the outside and inside in between the firewall have been accessed. Once the firewall have been accessed, which the dialer war has been started. The tool THC scanner. The THC scanner is to be affecting the tool. Once the tool is scanning, the scan mode carriers are scanning, and the dial mode have started. Dialers have started. That is to random dialers, and the manually or like automatically. Two modes have been started in the mode of on and off, and carrier mode hack is to be comes in a nudge. Okay, With that step rated, which shall be elapsed timing, even the auto dated and date of save exceptions. This auto dated and file name calculation, which will be happens to be a dial-up tool. Okay. Next, ping. Ping is to call out the person who has been in the echo request packet. So once it has been echo request packet, awaits and echo reply messages. Once it has been echo reply messages, ping send out an is ICMP echo request packet which will awaits and the reply messages can be proceed. So once the reply messages have been proceed, the active machine have been reply message have been come from the active machine. Alternatively, TCP and UDP packets also sent. Okay, with the messages of ICMP. Okay, this ping helps to access all the this network traffic and timestamping of each packet, and as well the it shall resolve the host names even. Even the tools includes of net scanning tools. Okay, this is the tool pinger. The pinger tool, which shall even available in the Google that too. The finger tool which was applied over here. So this finger tool you can access here for that. Using this tool and to be accessing of it to be our IP addresses from address to address to be accessed over the IP addresses. So with this, you can detect your ping sweeps. So this ping sweeps, even the network mapping and the polling of network blocks, even the IP address ranges. This ping utilities includes the switching of packets, which will be sweeping the detection utilities. Yes. Discovering the services which are running for a listening on target system. Determine live host. Okay, so with this determine live host, ICMP requested for the being blocked by host, and this will identity and this will potentially codes for furthering the attack. Once it is specified and specific application which is for services, and this services which comes under the detailed tools of a code scanners. And the TCP three-way handshakes is three-way handshakes which produces the SYN sent from application client. This SYM acknowledge sent from the server, so which the server and acknowledge sent from a client. Okay, with this TCP three-way handshake which will be providing, understanding the port scanning techniques which will offers the most popular reconciles techniques by the discovers to discover services. Potential targets which the computer runs many services even that. So with these services, so that could well-known port. So with the well-known port, which is for the scanning, which the port is victim of available and the hacker, which the potentially vulnerables. It's the potentially vulnerables and the tone of works. When the tone of work which is applied for the exploited. That scanning techniques can be differentiated and broadly into a straw and even the FTP bounces fragment. Next one is for port scanning techniques, which the port scanning techniques open scan and half open scan, which the stealthy scan sweeps into be a miscut. So all the five techniques which will be applied for the technically broadened. So this tool is to IPI, which is being avoided, which is being broadened the terms of techniques, which the so the error which is being for a too few parameters, which is for usages. That usages which will be avoided is the target of IP and the scan type of the port. So which the scan type of a port SYN scan, which the fin scan, the null scan XMAS. So this could be added for it to be a optional parameters. So optional parameters which will be is exclusion of command one. So once you're what you're trying to drop it, you can drop your IPI. So it's the IPI which will follows the parameter of a NetScan Tools Pro. So it's the NetScan Tools Pro which will be applied for a future networks and further networks. So this is the TCP networks who have been applied, which is for FTP responses. So FTP responses, even the HTTP and SGMG. So which the IP endowed targeted one. Which the super scan is host name lookup. The host name lookup, which is for to be a super scanning technique. The scanning technique which will avoid it for the data. That data which will be allotting the techniques which will oppose. So once it is resolves the host name shall be provides to the resolved area. This is actually resolved area. This is commercial area which shall be assigned to that. So this is for network map, nmap. Actually network mapper which will be assigned in the Google. You can apply the even the scanner application over into that. Once you can apply the IP address here, so you can give scan, so it will be scanned and give you where does it locates. So that output have been produced to you in the minutes of seconds. So next one is this active stack. Active stack fingerprinting. So once the fingerprinting is done, determined to remote OS. So this will allows and this will attach for a through the entire target. So with this entire target, which will be avoided, and to attacker footprint having greaterly chance to succeed. Based on the fact that various OS vendors to implement the TCP stack differently, specially crafted packets sent to remote OS. So and response is noted. This is compared with an database to determine the OS. Once the OS is determined, massive fingerprint have been assigned, which is differently implantation of the stack and the various ways and OS responds to it, and which is being instead relying on scanning the target host, massive fingerprinting capture packets from the target host and study a tail of signs and that can reveal the OS. So which the massive fingerprints and less accurately than the active fingerprint. CHIOPS. CHIOPS is kind of NUI. So NUI, which is for a network user interfaces, which this network user interfaces which will apply all the networking category on the networking areas which is being affected socks of chain, and this socks of chain which allows you to through the chain of socks or HTTP proxies to conceal the actual IP addresses. So once you can conceal the actual IP addresses, you can even SOX chain can function and usual SOX service. So this could transmits and this could queries chain of proxies together and proxy servers which shall be intermediate for a connection based tool. For this connection based even you can access for firewall proxies. Firewall proxies to protect the local network from the outside access. So this IP address is multiplexer and the proxy allows to connect a number of computers to internet. And having a one IP addresses which will locate with the proxy of service. So the proxy servers can be used to extend the anonymous web surfing. So this web surfing which shall be completed or continuously works towards it. Okay. This specialized proxy servers can filter out unwanted content, even ads or unsuitable material. Okay. This specialized proxies even the servers can filter out the unwantedly content such as the unsuitable materials. Okay. The proxy servers can afford some protection against the attacks. When it is against the attack, which is anonymizes services that can helps to make own web of surfing anonymous. So anonymizers removes all identifying information from the users and the computers, and users serves the internet, thereby the ensuring the privacy of the user. It is a bypassing firewall using the HTTP tunnel. So HTTP tunnel creates the bidirectional virtual data path tunneled in HTTP request. So the request can be sent to via HTTP proxies even. So this proxy, the desired output can be revealed into be a proxy authorized. So here the port scanning. So once the HTTP ports have been scanned, it will allows you to bypass an HTTP proxy, which is blocking you from the internet. So with this HTTP port, you may access the following: the like proxy of proxy servers of email, IRCA, ICQ, and even the FTP, AIM, any sorts of capable softwares you can apply through this. So HTTP port scanning shall be applicable. The next one is NetBIOS. NetBIOS is the null sessions exactly. There is zero sessions which will be advanced as a login with a null user, even the name and password. These null connections allows you to gather the following information from the host. So this host a list of users and groups, a list of machines and list of shares. So this uses this host assigns security identifiers, which shall has it to be a null users and null sessions over here, which is a big deal. So this big deal which will be connects and contract the hidden data which is V for APIs. Just a minute, I shall show you few APIs which has been here. Here also Cracker actually this is to your secret zip file. Which the secret zip file you wanted to use your API to crack your file. The file name have been encrypted. This encrypted file name which shall be used for here. Okay. So here and the password have been texted over here. That too have been kept. What are the passwords have been kept for here, and the secret file zip file have been kept it. Okay. So here I wanted to be make a run. I want to change the extension because since it is running, which is running for the V environmental. So the as per the environmental path, it has to locate. Even you can make this zip file as a data set. So this data sets even you can apply through the as a file of secret. See the secret file text, which is being highly sensitive, informative, and your desktop initiate also have been kept. So this is my Python configurations. As per this configuration, it has to follows. So once you are following up your ethical manner, you wanted to be hack even the malwares. The malwares which is assigned over, the net. So you wanted to give a request address also. So once you have give the request address, that will be followed quickly. We'll check now. So right, the hackers. 1 minute. Which the malware is detecting now. So the request address isn't be valid actually for my context, which the OS error. So even I can share you this. You can try even the Linux or Unix OS. Since the request address isn't be followed as a context with this to be an OS error, so I can share you this. Since those who are following the Linux OS can be accessed with this one. So this is what I'm trying to convey you. What else to be a ethical hacking and what else to be a conscience and the enumeration parts together of that. Even we have much dump sets of hacking tools, so you can access through the tools and to be enumerate your all your files on your hackers data, even that. So here the IP address browsers tool. So what are the IP address are there in the browser tool, that too you can take even here. So you can take forward for IP address browser. So this tool you can access for the SNMP enumeration countermeasures. So this prevention, the agent, this SNMP turns into their services. So with this option can be in a like based on the public community names. So this is for restrictions in anonymous connections even to be a null session types. Even the blocking 2K DNS events, that is to be a zone transfers. So this zone transfers, which is being properties for easily blocked. This is for identify the accounts. So what you're identifying the accounts which is being authorized. Hacking tool, the available for download the tool you can access to for Razer Mind View. So from this you can access all your tool which you needed for your hacking. Okay. Yes. So hope you could understand. Like here, I've been given for an directory of the work, and like you can access even multiple techniques and terms to be hack the data of the ethical ways. Purely, you wanted to come up with the ethical manners which shall be follows through the entire communication, entire enumerated of the data. Okay, which is been for a server based of a guest or authenticity of yourself, which is predomined, pure domain any account of them. Now all the users can build in the users in the group, which could be enumerated data. Okay, I hope you could have been understand all the thing. If there is a doubt, you can ask me, please. Sure. Is one of us, we mentioned data example values also shared in a timely case. I've shared through the sir. What are the programs which I have been done you today? I've been sending you one of a program which is not running into my Windows OS. That too I have sent you. That is for cracking for passwords. So that you can try it using your own OS that you can. It has been done to you. Any either doubts or questions you can ask now.
Participants, kindly unmute yourself and you can ask questions. Madam, we will wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute. If
Sure,
no
sure,
questions, then we'll wind up the session, madam.
sure, sure. Sir.
Ma'am, good evening. Can you hear my voice, ma'am? Hello.
Your voice is very low, madam. Can you, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, my volume. Yes, ma'am. Good evening. This is Kanimuri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ethical hacking, we are using so many tools, Wireshark as well as
No,
T-Shark.
sorry.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Oh, sorry. For network analyzing tool, Wireshark and T-Shark tools also used now, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll send through message.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because your voice is be audible. Please send through a chat box, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll do.
Yes, sir. You can use the tools even that, which is what are the tools which I have been mentioned. That is all to be open source. Even you need not to purchase or pay anything that. So it's the Venugopal sort of dropped here. You can access the tools which has been mentioned in the PPT. Kanimari madam, can you please drop your query in the chat board? I can explain your query, ma'am. Wireshark. Yes, ma'am. I have seen your message, like a doubt. Sorry, like you have asked the doubt for Wireshark and T-Shark differentiation. Actually, Wireshark is purely for GUI based tool, ma'am. that is for graphical visualization tool, which is not comes under the networking, but which has to comes under for a packet analyzer, that is actually which the data has to even graphically visualize. The product analyzer have been used for the interactive terms. For that purpose, we are using for the Wireshark. For the T-Shark is to be purely for command line tool, man. So once you actually it's a suit actually. It's a suit to be applied for a T-Shark. Once you are applying a command line, the command line task is to text based. What you are applying a text, that text based package shall be analyzed. So that is for purely GUI graphically based. This is purely command line based. Okay, ma'am. So like T-Shark, which can have capability to work automatically, ma'am. Even the script manner also, because that will have a JSON format. It has a JSON format facility, so that one. It is clear, ma'am. Does you need any other? What are the? Uh, yes, thank you, ma'am. Anybody, ma'am. Yes, Chilean Basha sir will face much thing in ethically like hacking. So the challenges, if you are asking in the sense like you can say even the real time and or as well to be detecting a tools, the tools wise, encrypted wise, and skill based. We can apply all those technical challenges to be evolving the techniques. So those kinds and even the legal challenges we can face, ethical challenges, and even the physical, psychological and personal challenges also we can face through this hacking. So we can list many things as much depends on our serious challenges and risk through the hacking, sir. Jilan Basha, sir, hope I made clear for your doubt. And Kanimori ma'am, you have asked one more question which is suitable for network analyzing. I just requested to you to suitable for network analyzing is a T-sharp, ma'am. Yes, Jilan sir, thank you. Any other doubts?
I think, madam, you answered all the questions, madam.
Yes, sir.
And thank you, madam. Your expertise and interactive style and practical explanations made this session truly memorable. We extend our deepest appreciation to you for our meaningful contribution to this program, madam. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
On behalf of Scope VIT University, we thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks a lot. And on behalf of VA Technologies, Dr. B. Edilavan, I just mention you a thank you for all the dignitaries and staff members who were here. Thank you all.
And final announcement again to all the participants. Kindly notice tomorrow session starts at 2 p.m. exactly, and as announced earlier, 2 to 3:30 p.m. and 3:30 to 5 p.m. And 5 we have a quiz exam and feedback also, voluntary session also, valedictory also on the same day tomorrow only. So kindly join by time, and I hope we'll eagerly wait for tomorrow's session. Thank you all. Thank you. You can leave.